Alright, so I put in some 1 cup and 3/4 of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour, and salt. And then I mashed in cold butter into the flour for my pie pastry. So this is half a cup of water with 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, which I'm going to mix into the flour mixture over here. Okay, so I'm going to caramelize half an onion and 1 garlic clove into this pan that has canola oil. So I am going to broil these 3 chopped tomatoes on high for about when it roasts a little. So I washed and chopped my spinach here, which will be part of the filling in the calzone. So I'm putting a bit of salt here. The onions and garlic have been caramelized, and I'm just waiting on the tomatoes in the oven here that are on high broil. The dough's rolled out, and it doesn't have to be fancy. I put flour on the rolling pin so it didn't stick. So here are the roasted tomatoes, which we will soften up so we could make the sauce. So I am softening up the tomatoes, putting a bit of salt in it, putting some Gochugaru in it, that's hot pepper powder, Korean brand. And I am putting some Mexican chili powder, just a little bit. Okay, so I added a bit of water to the tomato. So I mixed in the spinach with the tomatoes, and I'm just simmering it here for a while. So I put some basil into this other hot pocket I'm gonna make. So I put it all together with Monterey Jack and the tomato spinach mixture, and now I'm gonna wrap it up. Right now it doesn't look the most appetizing, but I'm gonna taste it later and see if it's good. So I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then I'm gonna pop this pizza pocket in the oven. Okay, since I don't have eggs, I can't egg wash it to make it look shiny. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait till this cooks here. As you can see, I put it in the middle of the oven. Okay, so I'm done my Hot Pockets, and I've sliced it in half. As you can see, it has cheese, it has spinach, and it has tomatoes. I've tasted it, and it tastes pretty good.